Want to bake a dessert worthy of being displayed in a window of a French patisserie? Come bake Crumble Crate's Apple Rose Tart with me. It all starts with making a quick, short crust pastry. Your baking kit includes a stainless steel pastry cutter, the perfect kitchen tool for creating a delicate, flaky pastry crust, all with your own 2 hands. The beauty of this short crust pastry, no need to roll it out. Simply use your fingers to press the crumbs on the bottom and sides of the pan. Blind baking your dough using parchment paper and pie weights is a critical technique to ensure that your tart is baked to golden perfection. The next step is to make Frangipane, an almond-based pastry cream that is a must in every great baker's repertoire. Homemade Frangipane can be whipped up in no time flat and is the perfect, rich, velvety filling for this tart. Next up is the star of the show, the elegant and stunning apple roses that adorn the top of this tart. Apple slices are thinly cut and cooked until they are pliable enough to be rolled into adorable roses. With a few tips and techniques and a little bit of patience, you will create enough roses varying in shapes, sizes, and colors to form a beautiful bouquet of flowers. After baking, brush the apples with a shiny layer of honey. A stunning, elegant, and memorable dessert.